This right here changes everything, okay? So the fact that we have two electric ovens changes the whole game. Because think about it. You can have your dessert cooking up top because I don't know about you guys, but I think about my dessert first. So you want to get dessert in the oven first so it can be ready right after dinner. And then we can put our dinner right in here. And then we just set it. And what's great is you have upper controls, you have lower controls. You have two different timers you can set. This makes it so much easier. Thank you so much for creating a dual in-wall electric double oven. Because by doing this, you're able to cook twice as much food, two different temperatures, and you don't have to worry about friends coming over when you're making dinner and they need to throw something in the oven and your oven is already full because now you have a backup oven. So if you are looking to do the upgrade and pull the trigger and get the double in-wall ovens, check these out. You will not be sorry.